Hi, my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to toss some potato scraps into the air fryer and make a nice snack. I had some leftover scraps after peeling potatoes, so I figured I'd try to make some baby potato skins. All you need other than that is some sour cream, green onions or chives, a little bit of olive oil, plus good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's start cooking. Add the potato skins to a mixing bowl and drizzle or spray on some olive oil. I have this olive oil spritzer that I absolutely love for this particular purpose. It sprays the oil on in like a nice mist, and you don't have to pour in the olive oil. Then hit them with the salt and pepper and give them a good mixing in between. Really try to get all surface area of the potato skins coated with the olive oil, the salt, and the pepper. Next, chop up your chives or green onions. Here, I'm using green onions. I really prefer chives, but I didn't have them on hand. I take the top inch or so off and then begin cutting. Try to cut them as fine as possible, and be sure to use the 3-finger claw cutting method to ensure that you don't cut your fingers at all, like so, where you really tuck your fingertips back under and you guide the knife against your knuckles. Then add the potatoes to your air fryer basket and give them a good shaking just to make sure that they're a little bit more evenly distributed than just plopped in. Set the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Once the time is up, take them out and give them a good shake. We're going to put this back in for a little bit more. We just want to mix them around. Insert the basket back into the unit, and then we're going to cook this again at 400 degrees, but this time just for 5 more minutes, just to finish them off and crisp them up. Take the basket out when done, and of course, you got to burn your mouth a little bit, giving one a test try, just to make sure they're done. I was happy with them, so I added them to a bowl and got out my sour cream and my green onions. And of course, you gotta pick out the fattest one you can find. Add a little baby dollop of sour cream. Then sprinkle on a little bit of that green onion. Man, I wish I had chives. But honestly, it was still delicious, and I was satisfied. It would also go well with the typical accoutrement of the old bacon bits, but didn't have any bacon on hand. Anyway, thank you. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!